So I'm here with Gus and Barkley, my two dogs. And today I'm going to talk more about fair shares. And remember, yesterday we talked about the word half. Remember that word half? If I'm sharing half of a set, we still want to make sure we're sharing equally, right? Half and fair shares, we're sharing equally. So I have Snarls and Gus here to help share some dog treats. We have this one set of dog treats and they're going to share equally. It wouldn't be fair if I gave Gus more than Barkley or Barkley more than Gus. So here we go. Come here, Gus. Look, look. Here's my set of dog treats. Yesterday, remember when we did the seeds? What did we do first? What did we say was really probably important to do first? Yep, you remember. We decided that we should probably count them first, right? So let's go ahead and count. We counted first. So let's see what our whole set is. Gus, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a set of 6 dog treats. That's my whole set. Now I want to share and do a fair share with Gus and Barkley. So I can just grab a handful and put some on Gus's plate and some on Barkley's plate. But is that a fair share? No. We talked about that yesterday, didn't we? That's not a fair share because Gus would get 4 and Barkley would only get 2. That's not equal, and that's not half of our set, is it? So let's go ahead again. Put these out here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember our strategy for sharing our sets equally? Let's see. I think we talked about giving 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. Let's try that. Ready? You ready? Here we go. We'll give Gus 1 and Barkley 1. And Gus 1 and Barkley 1. And Gus 1 and Barkley 1. Now we've shared our whole set of 6. Look how many Gus gets. 1, 2, 3. Look how many Barkley gets. 1, 2, 3. Are they the same? That's an equal share. That's a fair share from a whole set of 6. We shared it in half. Gus gets half of our set, and Barkley gets half of our set of dog treats. Now hold on, Barkley. All right. Now I bet you can do this one on your own. What if we changed our set? What if we changed the set? We're not going to use 6 this time. Let's say we only use 4 dog treats. There's my new set of 4 dog treats. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How could I share them equally? When I had 6, each dog got 3. But if I only have 4, I can't do that again, can I? If Gus had 3, Barkley would only get 1. Is that a fair share? No, it's not a fair share. So when we have a new set, we're going to use our strategy again. Let's go ahead. How many do you think Gus will get? How many will Barkley get? Think about it. Let's use our strategy. Gus gets 1. Barkley gets 1. Gus gets 1. Barkley gets 1. That's right. 2. Each dog can have 2 treats to be a fair share. That would be half for Gus and half for Barkley when we had a set of 4 altogether. All right, now this one's easy. What if our whole set, how many could Gus get? And how many would Barkley get? That's pretty easy, isn't it? Yep. Kiss your brain if you thought Gus gets one and Barkley gets one. That's an equal share or a fair share. Gus, you've been very patient. Would you like your treat? Look at that. Barkley doesn't really like these treats. Barkley, you want yours? Nope, he's gonna let it be there. That's a fair share. If our set was 2, Gus had 1 and Barkley had 1. And now Gus is gonna eat the other one. Uh-oh, I want to show you one more thing. And I just want you to think about this. What would you do in this situation? We've talked about sharing a whole set of 2 things in half, a whole set of 4 things in half, a whole set of 6 things in half. With the seeds, we did a whole set of 8 things in half. So what if we had a set of 5? Oops, don't eat it yet, Gus. What if we had a set of 5? What would you do with that? How would you share that? I don't know either, Gus. What would you do to make a fair share? Because what happens if we give Gus 1 and Barkley 1 and Gus 1 and Barkley 1? But then look, there's only 1 left over. What would you do with that? If we give it to Gus, is that a fair share? Nope. If we give it to Barkley, is that a fair share? No. So if we have a whole set of 5, that's tricky. We might just have to say Gus gets 2, Barkley gets 2, and we have 1 left over. You think about it. Interesting. Try some more fair shares with your family. Have a good time.